Kung ito pampabeauty, ito naman for better immunity. Kung lagi kang pagod, feeling mo nanghihina ka, madali kang dapuan ng sakit, kailangan mo ng Mag Spirulina. Blue Vitality Spirulina ni PureFit. Ito yung pampatibay ng katawan na hindi mo katatamaran kasi pag tinimpla mo, lasang pineapple siya. And yes, yung blue pigment po niya is because of the spirulina. That's a very good source of antioxidant, pampatibay po ng immunity natin, and also helps improve our energy levels. Pero take note, meron din siyang vitamin C at may vitamin E, not just with immunity, but overall skin health natin. So kung napupuyat ka at feeling mo wala ka pa ring energy, dull na yung skin mo, pwede mong try itong si Blue Vitality na to. So itong one packet contains 1 week usage na siya. So kukuha ka lang ng ganito. So let's open it at magkakaroon ka ng 7 packets na ganito. And make sure to open it. Kung yung ibang vitamins nakakatamad, just mix it in a glass of cold water. Dissolve mo. At ngayon, ready na yung immunity booster mo. Sino ba naman tatama rin kung ganito kasarap yung juice mo? Pero what you're drinking is actually spirulina, lasang pineapple siya. That's why this is also perfect as an overall health drink. Kung ikaw yung ayaw ng mga herbal, gusto mo healthy ka, pero syempre masarap pa rin yung iniinom mo, this is a good option for you. Blue Vitality Spirulina ni PureFit. Click on the basket. Stay safe.